Hello everyone, Lawrence here from Unicorn Reviews. Welcome to another build log. Today we're doing something quite designish while still packing a massive punch in terms of gaming and productivity. So let's go over the specs first. I'm going to start off on the right side. This graphics card is the Zotac GTX 970 OC, half a terabyte Samsung 850 EVO, a 3 terabyte Seagate drive, the ASRock Z170 MITX board, 16 gigabytes of FuryX DDR4 memory to go with this i5 6600K from Intel, 550 watt Corsair RM power supply. We got this beauty here, the Silverstone TD03E, and we also have a Jonsbo or a Cooltech UMX1 Plus with a window in it to make everything look lovely. Righty, you guys saw the time lapse. Let me know what you think about it in the comment area. Let me know what would you do differently. Do you agree with me going with a really hard build on this thing? I would, going into it knowing that it would be really hard to pull off, and pulling it off I mean, this thing looks pretty damn awesome, doesn't it? And performance is great as well. Let me know what you think about a build like this in the comment area. You can also let me know what you think about these type of videos. Press that like button if you like them, press the dislike button if you didn't like them. You can subscribe to Unicorn Reviews. It really helps me out a lot, and you guys get a notification whenever a new video goes live, which is usually on Fridays at 7 Central European Time, on Tuesdays at 7 sometimes. If you want to follow me even more with more regular updates, you can follow me on Twitter, follow me on Facebook, and you can even support the channel getting better equipment to make better looking videos by Patreon. That stuff's all in the video description. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.